Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you know you are struggling with hair fall, thinning edges, excessive shedding, or a bald patch that is getting bigger instead of smaller, then this simple herbal hairspray might be exactly what you need. Now take a look at this DIY spray. I made it from 3 powerful ingredients known for supporting healthy hair and scalp care. Now I want you to take a look at these images. Hair breaking off in the middle of a scalp, thinning area, and large amounts of shedding can be so frustrating and very discouraging. Many people experience this due to stress, lifestyle practices, hormonal changes, or poor scalp health. But here's the good news. A healthy scalp creates the foundation for healthy hair. But do you know your hair can actually look fuller, thicker, and healthier? Consistency is important, and nourishing your scalp regularly can help to improve the overall condition of your hair over time. Now let's talk about these 3 amazing herbs. The first is hibiscus. I love this one. I've used it to regrow my edges severally. It's very rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and amino acids that help to nourish the hair and scalp. Hibiscus also helps to reduce breakage, support stronger looking hair. I love this one so much. That's why I'm always using it. If you've been on this channel for long, you know that I love hibiscus. Now secondly is rosemary. I think this is my all-time favorite. Why do I love rosemary, or why am I using rosemary for this particular recipe? It is known for helping to stimulate the scalp and improve circulation around the hair follicles, which helps to support growth and reduce shedding. And the third simple yet powerful ingredients we are going to be using, or herbs we are using in this video, is thyme. This is packed with beneficial plant compounds that help to support scalp health. See, with the combination of this trio, your bald spot will grow, your thinning edges will regrow, and also if you have thinning just in the middle of the hair, trust me, this will regrow your hair. Now, how do we make this? You start by adding all your herbs in a clean jar. Ensure that the jar you're using is clean, and also it will be able to contain what you want to do. Now, I'm going to add my hibiscus. I'll go in with a little bit of the thyme and then rosemary. Just do something that can stay approximately 2 weeks. You don't want to stretch it for too long. And remember that you always refrigerate it just to preserve it. Now you add warm water over it to allow them to steep for 4 hours. I'm going to be giving this a quick stir, and then I'll add more water because the former one I used was too small and it has not covered the whole of the herbs in the jar. I'm stirring this again just to ensure that it incorporates very well. I'm giving it a little shake to ensure that it doesn't just settle at the bottom of the jar, but everything actually incorporates properly. I'll cover this and allow it to sit for 4 hours. Now, this is what it looks like after 4 hours. It is bright red just because of the hibiscus, but this is very, very powerful. I'm going to give this another stir so that by the time I'm sieving it out through my fine sieve, it must have incorporated properly. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get a clean bowl where I'm going to be sieving out this leave-in spray from, and then I'm going to get a tight, clean sieve. Ensure that the sieve is tight, and then where it's going to be coming out from is not so big. This is because you don't want particles from this herb to get into your leave-in spray. Remember, you're going to be spraying this on your hair and you're not going to be washing it out. So you want to ensure that you have just the liquid. After I'm done, I'm going to get a clean applicator bottle. This will help me to manage the consistency or frequency when I'm applying this on my hair. And then I want something I can just safely store by the side of my fridge. I'm going to be passing it through a funnel to ensure that it comes out fine and I don't have spillover on my kitchen workspace. Now you want to give this a good shake and then just apply directly on your hair. This herb is so simple, easy to be made, beginner friendly, yet powerful. You can see results in as little as 5 days, 6 days, especially with the hibiscus. You want to apply this directly to your scalp, focusing your attention on thinning areas and gently massaging it in to leave it on. You can massage it in for as little as 5 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times every week. Save this video so you can make this hairspray later. And please don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.